Share 8 chocolates to 4 members. 8 chocolates to 4 members. So 8 by 4 is equals to 2. Very good. Next. Share 9 chocolates to 3 members. So 9 by 3 is equals to
3.
Very good. Share 12 chocolates to 4 members. Share 12 chocolates to 4 members. So 12 by 4 is equals to
3.